Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm continuing to scratch off our $5 Safe Cracker crossword book that we got. Woo, I cannot talk. I have ticket number 65 through 69 that I will be scratching off in today's video. First, and like the last video, I'm going to scratch off all of these and then we're going to see if we can find the word up above, or find the words that we got up above. Okay, so we have we'll start down here. So we got the N, O, there's no O, so we did not get that. We'll go down. Couldn't get that. A, D, V, I, C, E. We did get this word. R, no R. A, S, no S. Okay, across. We couldn't get that one. Y, E, S, nope, no S. E, P, I, C, epic. We got epic. O, R, E. Wait, hold on. We did have an E. So, oh, I don't want to scratch that. Why am I doing that, Billy? We don't have an S, but we have an E. So, do we have an R? No R. Bonus word. Y, P. We didn't have an S, so we can't get that. Okay, up above. We have up above here, the P, O, no O, so we can't get that one. H, I, P, no H. I, C, E, we got ice. S, U, no S. V, O, L, T, no L. W, E, A, no S. I, N, T, R, no R. No R. No R. Okay, let's go across. H, O, no O. Wait, hold on. Did we do this one? H, I, P, no H. P, A, L, E. We have the one word. We have two words, actually. T, O, U, R. We did not get a O or a U. No O. No O. M, A, no S. No S. T, R, no R. O, no O. G, A, Z, E. G, A, Z, E. Oh, hold on. We need that. Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay, so I don't think we won. We will scan it real quick to see. Not a winner. Not a winner. Okay, moving on to ticket number 66. Let's scratch them all off. Okay, here are our numbers, or letters. And let's get a look in. DP. So, okay, I'm new to this, so work with me. So we got the R, but we do not have an O, so that won't work. And we did not get a T. J, K, no, wait, we got the K, no T. We got this word, right? No T, no T. No T, no T, no O. Nope, we got swing. Okay, P, R, no O. Up here, G, A, no T. No, we got this word. O, no O. EAT, no T. AM, no M. PI, no T. No M. No A. Yep, we got H. HIDE. We got 2 words. One more, we win our money back. No T. No O. No O. No H. Or sorry, no O or T. No M. No O. No O. No O. That, to me, is a loser, but we'll scan it and see. Loser. Moving on to ticket number 67. Let's scratch it and see. Okay, you guys, here are our letters. Let's look. T, I, R, no E. No E, no E, no E. No E. Moving down, no E, no E, ODD. We got that. WITH. We got that. PIT. Hey, we won $5. $5. No E. 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 JUG. We got this word. Okay, across. No E. AUTO. We got this word. VIM. Hey, we got. Oh, hold on. We didn't get an A. We don't have an A. That word isn't right. But we did get VIM. No N. No E. No E. No E. Let's scan it. Should be 5 buckaroos. 5 buckaroos. $5. Moving on to ticket number 68. Let's scratch and see. Okay. Here, I like to scratch this off just so I have it ready when we need a scan. Okay, so here are our letters. Let's check it out. Check it out. So we have an S, no S, no S, G, no G, no S, AMP. We got this word. Okay. No. Nope, we got Mark. No S and no E. No E. Moving here, no S, ARC. We have this word. No E, right? No E, no S, no E, no E, no E, no S, no E. Cross, no E, no E, no E, ZOO, no Z, BARK, we got bark. No O. Oh no, we got O. No R. We don't have the R. No R. No E. No E. A-S-H. Loser. Let's check it and see. Not a winner. Moving on, you guys. Last ticket. We have ticket number 69. 69. Okay. Here are our letters. Let's get scratching. So we have R-E-N-W. R-E-N-O. Well, hold on. Do we have this? Am I looking at this right? Yeah. This might be a really good ticket. D-Y-E. No D. So no D. E-X-T. No T. No T. H. No H. A-D-O. No D. J-O-T. Nothing there. A-R-C. No D. Won't have that. Okay, so P. No P. No P. Oh, let's go down. No P. No no, hold on. We have an S. We have an I. We have an N. We have a U. And we have an S. So we have sinus. A. No T. No T. U-S. U-S-E-D. No D. No D. S-E or S-W-E-E. No P. S-T. No T. Across. No P. No no, we got a S. N-U. S-A-N-C-E. We have another word. One more for our money back. A V. We have a V. We have a U. N. No T. P. No P. E-A-T. No T. No P. S-Q. No Q. W-H. No H. E-G-O. I think we won $5, you guys. I think we won $5. 5 buckaroos. 5 buckaroos. So we won, I believe, $10 on this video, or in this video. So not bad, not good. Just whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in our next one. Bye.